to 40 weekly hours of content writing time using this tool. Hello everyone, I'm Priyasha from PitchGround. Do you ever feel like you need more time to write good quality content for your business or project? You take the time to craft a piece of content, but you are struggling to find the energy to power through to the end. Writing content can be tedious and overwhelming task. So, what if you could get help? Today, PitchGround has brought to you Typer. But make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now let's get back. Typer.ai is the perfect tool for anyone needing help with their writing tasks. It's an AI copywriting assistant that can help you write better content faster. Plus, Typer.ai has some other features such as a sentence shortener, extender, and scriptwriter. So you can maximize your time and energy, saving up to 40 hours weekly. With Typer, you can write faster and better with Power Typer option, the all-in-one freestyle writing assistant. You can enhance your writing with the text extender, rephrase tool, text shortener, and grammar checker. With tools like Introduction Writer, Outline Generator, and Conclusion Writer, you can quickly generate the core features of your article without worrying about manually formatting them. Take advantage of specialized tools like Email Writer, Ad Creator, and Task Extractor. These are trained to achieve specific results. Easily create inspiring speeches for any occasion with the speech generator, and make sure everyone knows what your customers think about your product with the review writer feature. Use the social script feature to help you easily create engaging, captivating video scripts for your social channel. Scale up your content using Typer. And all you gotta do is click the link below and get your hands on this lifetime deal. But hurry, the sale won't last long. Quickly head on to pitchground.com and claim your license now. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.